Oh, I gotta change the thumbnail. Give me 1 second. But I still need to test. Let me see. Testing. Alright, yeah, we good. I need to change the thumbnail though. Hey, where is it? Where's the thumbnail thing at? There it is. I think our thumbnail been been this like the past two streams. It been saying weekly analysis and it's supposed to just be let's train. Oh dang. Maybe I screenshot this page because it's asking for a new thumbnail. Cause I already have one on there. Let me just screenshot the chart and use this as it. If it let me screenshot, it might not let me screenshot while I'm in stream. There we go. Okay. Give me 1 second, y'all. My bad. Today is the 29th. Alright. Got to change. Alright, y'all. What's up, G.F.T family? It's your boy Keith back with another live trading stock/futures. Today is Friday, May 29th, 2026. I think I'm gonna get into the charts. I did pray before the dang stream, but you know what? We get a quick little prayer in real quick again, so it's fine. Let's bow our heads. The Lord, we just come to you today, just saying thank you for another week that we're closing out. Lord, thank you for allowing us to make it to another week. We want to give honor to your name, praise and glory. I ask that you continue to guide us, continue to bless us. Um, no matter if we win, lose, or draw today, I ask that we be grateful for the opportunity. We continue to grow and become not only better traders, better people, but better children of you, Lord, and followers of Christ. All things in Jesus' name we pray. Amen. All right, here we go, man. Here we go. Today we're on I got a Lucid account that I have that's dang near almost about to be blown. Like, it's like $300 away. We're going to see if we can bring it back. That's going to be our task. Probably these next couple streams. Trying to bring it back and getting it passed. Because Lucid, you don't have um no monthly rebuild date, so you can take your time with it, but we're gonna try to get it done by next week. Okay, bring it all the way back if we can. All right. First thing first, we're looking at. I should be looking at NYM, but I'm looking at these M and Qs. I'm thinking we want to go long. It might already hit the target. Dang, it almost hit it. When I looked at it earlier today, like literally about an hour ago, it was like down here, and I was aiming for that 380, 30,380. But it's already almost there, and market about to open. So I might not be able to get that opportunity. I do see a potential entry here. We close past these highs because this is an uptrend right here currently. I can see an entry here, at least to come to these highs here. I might get one. Let's grab one. I do like to wait till after the news, but if this close above, I mean after the market open, but if this close above, we'll take one right here. 6 seconds. It looks like it's about to close above. 3, 2, 1. It closed above. Let's take one. Let's put stops. I want to put stops at the bottom of this candle here. But we're gonna give it a yeah, we'll put it at the bottom of this counter. We aim for this first high first. Well, this technically is the first high right here. But I'm aiming for this next high at 69. There we go. Alright. Now can we close past it went to the even the next high. Let's see if we can close past. So I'm okay if we close this as red because I'm trying to take this chance of closing potentially past these highs to go to target. So if we do end up being red on this trade, I'm not too upset. Okay, it went to dang. Alright, it went to target. We might get stopped out here because I'm trailing tight. Yeah, that man, that mug glitch. This mug glitch and market just opened. Ah, I don't know if I want to take a trade. It hit my ultimate. Let me see. Let me go to QQQ. I don't know if I want to take any more trades for today because it just hit my ultimate target that I needed. Unless we make uptrends above it, then I'll probably take a trade. But I'm gonna look at QQQ real quick. Yeah, QQQ gapped up, so it's a chance that we might come back down and fill this gap. That's why it's kind of hard for me to want to go continue to trade today because we already hit the target right at the open. So I'm thinking we might come down and clear this gap, and then maybe we might try to go back up. But that's if we want to go back up. I'm gonna pull the QQQ chart up on my other screen, and I'm gonna be watching over here, and then I'll put the M&Q charts back up over there. If we make an uptrend above it, it's fine though. But we don't make an uptrend above it, it's risky. Trying to let these QQQ charts load up for me before I take another trade. Cause taking it before seeing my QQQ chart is extremely risky. It look like we're getting that close above. Yeah, we got one close above. I could have put a continuation, but it hit my target. I just trailed super tight. That's all. What the world? Now we experienced some crazy lag for some reason this morning. And we got PPI at 845. I could have held, but I just didn't want to risk for real. I told y'all we trying to build this small account, man. We made what else, $20-something. So we wasn't trying to risk that much. But it's just running now. I can't do nothing unless it give us a pullback. I gotta wait on some red kind of come. And see if we make that uptrend above. We don't make the uptrend above. Like I said, I can see us dropping down to fill that gap on QQQ. For some reason, my dang what you call the charts? My QQQ charts over here on TradingView ain't loading. It's taking its time. They keep jumping over to this screen for some reason. I don't know why. I had to close them charts or open it. Alright, we look like we may get our first red count. Let's see if it hold above. What's that? 30,380. Do we stay above it or do we start closing back below it? Is the question. Is the question. Mm-hmm. Man, why is my key chart not open? Like TradingView lately, I've been having trouble opening multiple tabs. It's like it will not load the second tab for some reason. Yeah, like this main tab open, but that second tab been struggling these past couple of days. I'm trying to reopen the tab. Alright, it's coming down to that 380 level like we expected. We gotta see if it's gonna stay above or go back below it. Close back below it. See if this tab can load up. Come on, man. Come on, come on. Y'all putting me behind. Honestly. I might have to just pull the other screen up on my phone and have that one. Have that one just be M and Q on the stream. Yeah, I might have to pull it up on my phone because I'm not trying to wait on this to load. We probably missed half the trade. Alright, still holding right there. I'm thinking it's gonna close below and come fill that gap, but you never know. I'm thinking we're gonna close below though. You know what? Let's do this. Let's try to restart our trading view app. Yeah, it closed below. Okay, so let's restart the trading view app right now while this market is about to potentially drop some. So give me 1 second. Yeah, maybe that makes it load all the way up. Both tabs. Mm-mm-mm. See if we can get it to finally load everything up. And I was trying to put some background music on. Let's put that on. There we go. Got the background music playing. Alright. I don't want to start freestyling again. Y'all know how I get. Freestyle, but my style ain't free. Come and learn how to trade with me. Go on here and join G.F.T. and learn from your boy. It's the real keys. Go on ahead. Dang, trade view, come on now. It's gonna take a while to load, bro. And I really don't want to restart the whole stream. Don't want to restart the stream. But it sure taking a while to load. Alright, it's coming up. It's coming up. Alright, then let me open another tab once this screen loads. Give it a second. Let that thing load up. Maybe because I need to clean up some space on this computer though. Alright, so we end up closing back above 380. But like we said, not until we see an uptrend above it. I need an uptrend above it to convince me. No uptrend above it, I'm not trusting it. Okay. Let's go create new layout. Maybe that's what we do. Alright, I think we got it, y'all. I think we got it. Let's see if it loads up. All we need is this one chart to load. Uh-oh. I think we got it. I think we finally got it. It's at least showing the name up top. Oh man, why the charts got these lines on the background? It is what it is though. I mean, it don't matter. As long as we got the chart up. It even got the it even got the volume, what's the name on it? Hold up. Let me make sure I'm logged in first on my other account. Okay, yeah, I'm logged in. And we got an uptrend above, at least on the 1 minute. So let's take one. Take one. One contract, because that's the 1 minute. Alright, and then I'll pull this QQ chart over. What the word? Oh, there we go. Pull this QQ chart over. Alright, so it's only the 1 minute, so I only took one contract, because I don't really trust the 1 minute like that for uptrend, but if we can see that 5 minute turn, then I'll add. But I don't really trust the 1 minute too much for my uptrend. That's how we take one contract. Yeah, I don't really trust it. It might. I think it probably gonna come back down to break this. Let's see though. If we can close past these previous highs, I think we good. At least for a little run. Little run to the upside. Like I said, that news at 8:45, so we gotta be careful with that. Gotta be careful with that. Mark this daily. Gap on QQQ. Come on, give us another green. Oh, that's why I got all the drawing tools on. Dang, this other chart that I opened up, y'all, this other tab, it's completely different. Like we got dang volume indicator on. They got a grid on the background. Okay, we pushing up. I'm pushing up. Pushing up, pushing up, pushing up, pushing up, pushing up, pushing up. Really ain't got no targets because we had all time highs, so I'm just gonna be kind of like trailing. Like, I think once we get to like $50, probably bring stop to $25. I really want this close pass here. Come on, man. Oh my, it did not close pass. Ah man, I wanted to close past there. I really wanted to close past there. See if we can close past this high here. That's just to believe. I want to see the 1 minute stay above that blue line, that 30,438. I want us to stay above this line. Can we stay above that line? We got 26. Why is it? Oh my goodness, bro. Why is this on? I never use it, so why is that on? The like this drawing, keep drawing tool. I never use that, so I don't know why. Bruh. Okay, it's gone. I think it's gone, y'all. Oh man, we can't close past the previous high. Thank you. Alright. I think I'm about to get ready to start drilling tight. Once we sweep this next high, I could set it here because that news about to come out. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait it out. Wait till we sweep that high again. Okay, we swept the high. I think I want to go. I probably want to get out if it's closed red here. If we can't close past this high, I think I want to get out. But it could be retesting at that 438 level, but I think I want to cut. Yeah, it looks like it's about to close the red. Let's give it some room. Let's give it some room to see what it does. I want to see if we can build this uptrend above 438. So we're gonna give it some room. Can it build above this 438 level? If not, it is what it is. Give us a green candle here. It sweep that high, I think we got it. Sweep that high, I think we got it. This sweeps that high, I think we got it. Ah, come on. It look like we're finna retest it. Alright, we're retesting it. Can we close above? Can't close below it. We need a green candle here. Need a green candle, man. Need a green candle. We didn't even retest it all the way, but it's close. This next candle is our last hope and chance. The next candle. Oh, we closed below it. Yeah, I'm about to cut. I'm about to cut. I don't even want this trade. I don't want that trade. We gotta close back above. So we just took that. What we took? Like $9. I didn't want it to close back below that 438. There's a chance that it might sweep this low, especially with that news coming out. I need a green counter back above 438 before I try to even attempt to take a long. This might be that green counter, but the 845 news coming, man. Dang it. And I don't really want to trade with PMI. Yeah, this the green counter, but I'm not trading that PMI. I'm gonna let the PMI go out. Even if it shoot to the moon, man, I'm not trading that PMI. It literally made that green counter right after, but I can't risk it. And it closed past there. We should push up a little bit. Hey, regardless of the fact, we're up on the day, so I'm not even mad. We're doing good for today. Not mad if PMI somehow shoot it to the moon. Oh, let's see if that 5 minute made a 5 minute made uptrend yet above. No, not yet. It's like underneath it. We still need another pullback. Let's see. Yeah, we need another pullback. Need another pullback. Let me turn these dang indicators on. I got volume indicator. Remove these grids. Think settings. Gotta remove the grids. No grid lines. We don't want no grid lines. Alright. So 5 minute we got higher high, low, higher. It's bullish, man. It's bullish, but it just seemed a little tricky though. It just seemed a little tricky. Market is bullish. It's looking tricky though. Let's go to the hourly. Hourly. Mark this out. I feel like at any moment we can drop. So gotta be careful, man. Gotta be careful. But it's bullish right now though. That's the thing. It's bullish right now, but it's just like it seems like at any moment we can drop. Any moment we can drop. I'm gonna look at my daily chart one more time. Was our target high. We're above it. We delete this white line. We don't need that. That's pink low. 5 minute. So we're above it. We just don't got an uptrend above it on the 5 minute. The 1 minute got an uptrend above it. 1 minute is coasting, but it's just I don't trust no dang 1 minute. That's the thing, man. We're gonna have to keep trading one contract at a time. It is pushing though, man. That mug is pushing crazy. Crazy push. Like, it's just still moving up slowly but surely. I want to take one long here. Let's take a light long. Let's see if we can keep running. At least another $10 or something. we gotta take a little bit at a time with this thing chart, man. Cause it's so dang risky. Like it just swept its high. I don't even feel confident if it's staying green. I needed to close past that high. It might give us this red candle here. See if we can keep pushing. It's so risky, man. It's so risky. Alright, we should sweep that next high. Let's see. Look like we close past. Normally I would add here, but I'm not adding right here because of Me being on the 1 minute. I don't want to add with that. I think if it break that, I would probably want to cut. See the 5 minute. 5 minute. We need to stay above this 5 minute high. Like we are. So we should be pushing up still. Should be pushing up still. Like I said, I normally would have added when it came down here. But since I'm on the 1 minute, I'm just not going to add. I'm just stay with one contract. All right, let's see. Let's see. I said, if we get to about $15, $20, I'm gonna bring stops to $10. We just gotta take little by little because it's just too risky on this 1 minute. So we get to 15, 20, I'll bring stops up to about 10, and then we call it. Now I do not like that it just swept that high. I might cut if it's close red. I wanted it to keep going. I might have to cut right here. Yes. Let's set this here. Might have to cut. It's probably finna try to drop here. Yeah, come on, push. I don't like that. Don't like this trade. Kinda wanna cut. Oh, it closed green. Okay. Green still gave us some hope. If it would have closed red, I probably would have just exited. It still can come drop on me, but I for sure would probably close it or if it would have closed red. Green still gives us a little hope. It give us at least a little hope to come sweep them highs one more time. Alright, we gotta get ready to trail stops closely right here if we sweep this high one more time. Because we don't want to see it come back down again at this point. We gotta probably bring stops up to $5. Up. Come on. Sweep the high. If we can sweep the high, we don't want it to come back down. Alright, we don't want it to come back down. We setting stops there. We want you to close past, honestly. Alright, kick us out. We out. It looked like we took $9 there. If it shoot up here, it's fine. But I just didn't want to take that chance of it reversing. I didn't want to take the chance of this being that next red counter drop down. It's too risky, man. Too risky. Like I said, we took $9 there, so I said it'll only take about $10 a trade. So right now we're up $45 on the day. Slowly building it back, man. Slowly building it back. I think if we would have initially kept our first trade at the open, we would have definitely printed pretty nicely. Right here when I think we took the longs. Well, we took the longs here, y'all. Was it right here? Somewhere over here. We took the longs. Let me see. Was it 5 minute? Yeah, it was right here. This one we took longs. At around let's say 370 just to be rounded up. 370. So right here, this is where we took them longs around this area. We got wicked out on the very first counter. Wicked out on the very first counter, man. Man, this mug is slowly grinding, bro. What in the world? What in the world is going on? And the 5 minutes not giving us no re-entries. You only had this one entry on the 5 minute, and that was it. No other re-entry. It's just going. It's going. I'm thinking about grabbing one more long. Try run this long wave one more time. Let's grab one. Then we're gonna ride it just one more time. We're gonna try to stick on this 5 minute if we can. See what it does when it sweep that high. I think I wanna grab one more again. I'm gonna give it a second, see if it close past its previous high first. Then I'll probably add one more. We are leaving a lot of gaps behind. I don't like that, but I add one more. I add one more. Knocking on the door. Knocking on the door. We can close past. Like we about to close past. I don't like it being a red counter here. Let's bring stop up. Cause we might get wicked out here. We might get wicked out here. If we don't get a green counter on this 1 minute. Might get wicked out here. Yeah, I'm not gonna add. I don't want to get wicked out. The only way I can add is if we get a green counter, but it's so close to where we entered that it's like me adding really ain't doing nothing. Cause all I gotta do is sweep this previous high at 513. That's all it has to do. So me adding right where I got in ain't really helping too much. Like we close green here, down here. Maybe I am, but we push too close to that level. I can't do it. All right, let's see. Really don't want to close below here. Really don't want to close below because we probably get kicked out here. Oh no, don't tell us we finna get kicked out our trade, bro. They close below. It might come wake us out. Ugh, come on, stay green. Don't wake us out. Let's see. See, yeah, like just like this. You see how close to my entry it is right now? I don't want to add here because it's dang near. I might as well just had did two when I first got in. I wanted the green counter somewhere down here. So I'm not adding because, like I said, the target is literally right here at 513. Well, that ain't my true target where I want to get out, but that's all that the market has to give me is that 513. Okay, if we can get a little bit more peel back one more time, I'll add. No, it's already going there. It's not gonna give us the pullback. Oh, let's see how far it's gonna drop here. Come on, wick the high one more time for me, please. Wick the high one more time for me, please. One more time. It might not. Okay, it gave it to us. No, I didn't get to set it. There we go. So we only took $7. I wanted to keep running. I ain't even wanted it to come back. I wanted it to just keep going once it wicked that high. Yeah, it came back. So now we're up. What's that? What we said? 45 plus 7. So $53. Or 52, my bad. Math ain't mathing this morning. $52. Alright, there go that red counter. See if we get a green counter to keep going higher. Or do we come and finally start breaking this uptrend to lead us to a red counter? Because this trend, this dang 1 minute trend been respected. What the heck? Any other day, a 1 minute trend will never hold this long, bro. Any other day, a 1 minute trend will never hold this long. Like when I tell y'all, like, bro, look at this 1 minute trend. This 1 minute trend literally got higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. We ain't seen no lower low yet. Ain't no boy. I ain't never seen a 1 minute trend hold this many turns. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, possibly 8 times in 1 minute and it held up this dang trend. And it look like it's about to do it again. It look like it's about to do it again. Let's try to take it back to the highs again. Stop here. See if we get up to them highs again. All I need is a sweep of the highs and then I can Bring stops up. If it closed red though, potentially might be trying to reverse. Let's see. See this uptrend gonna hold. It might be reversing here. It might finally get this reverse. We watching though. We're watching. Stops gonna be right down there though. I know that. We're not moving our stop loss. Even if it make that downtrend, we're not moving that stop loss. I slick want to add right here, but I'm gonna wait till this 5-minute counter close. Wait on the 5-minute closure. Got 5 seconds. I don't know her. Dang, I was trying to add, bro. It just shot straight up. Dang it, I was trying to add. Oh, but hey, we still making some money. I was gonna add. Oh, it kicked me out. Them laggy. It's laggy like crazy. Dang, I was gonna add down there, bro. We only had like 2 seconds. I wanted to add right here. We would have had 2 contracts. But it just literally, in them 2 seconds, it just shot straight to the highs. What the heck, bro? And it's like it's still running. This market is crazy. Why is it so bullish? What is going on? Why are we so bullish, man? I mean, I knew we were bullish, but bro, we're not getting no re-entries on the 5-minute. 5-minute hasn't had a red candle since the opening. What in the world is going on? And we're what? 30 minutes in. We haven't seen a red candle in 30 minutes on the 5-minute. Like, I'm not trying to chase after all this green, especially on the 1-minute. But regardless of the fact we're up still on a day. What we just get? What was that? I don't know. We up like, I think they gave us like $30 more. What we said we was at up 52. We up like almost $100 on the day. Slowly grinding our way up. Slowly grinding our way up. Actually, I think we is $100. Nah, we almost 100. We like 80 something dollars right now. Almost 100. We about 27, 28 more dollars away for 100 on a day. All right, here come a red count. Let's see. Do we either reverse to start pulling back, or do we continue to go higher? Oh, this market crazy. This market is crazy, bro. I'm surprised. I'm surprised this 1-minute is holding up. Like, what in the world? Oh, if it turned green here, I don't even think I want to take them long, bro. It's it's just playing too many games. I don't even think I want the long if it turned green here. Unless we close past the high. That's the only way. We close past high, maybe I take it. We don't close past it, I don't think I want it. This is market playing. I ain't trying to play. I'm just trying to make my money and walk away every day, each and every way. I don't even know even what to say. Hold up. We trying to get paid. Hold up. Every day on M&Q. 1 minute, not 2. Really need to be on the 5-minute, but 5-minute ain't give us no entry. Not today. It only gave one when the market opened. Okay, hold up. It beat 5. Come on and sweep these highs, so I can see if these loans gonna ride. Hey, 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 hey. It ain't sweep the highs yet. It's about to come down. He ain't showing no respect. It's coming on down. Bring it around town. Might get the first 5-minute red count. Let's see. Might get the first 5-minute red candle. We don't even know, but can it even handle? Can it even manage? Staying up above 330, no 380 or above. Dang, that mug push right back up. Turn back green. Man, what's up? I might take some shorts right here, y'all. First red candle. You never know how far down we get for this drop. Might take some shorts. Yeah, I think I want to take a short. I should have took it up here, honestly, but it's okay. Took them shorts. Let's see it drop. Go ahead, put on the stop. Come on, drop below here. I should have took them shorts right when it made this lower low, bro. I ain't pay attention. I was over here rapping. That was my fault. Over here rapping. Got that first red candle. Let's go. I'm gonna add right here. Let's see a drop, man. Come on, bro. I do not want to sweep of these highs again. Just keep dropping. I need all red candles down here. Come on, keep going red. Keep going red. Don't give us a green. Please don't give us a green. Close red right here. And don't spike up and keep me out either. Shoot. Close red. Come on, bro. No, close red. I want you to close below 513. I need a nice flush. Nice flush. Alright, close below 513. Come on, take these lows out over here. Take all these lows out over here. Really, just close past all the lows. Don't even come back up. Oh no, come on. Push, push, push. Push, push, push. One more time. One more drop. One more down. One more low. No, I just need this next low to get taken. Come on. One more time. No, keep going. Keep going. Oh man, they gonna play around. Playing around. It's finna come back up. About to come back up. Yeah, it's about to come back up. Hopefully we don't get kicked out here, bro. Let's see if this trend gonna hold. Don't kick us out, bro. This our all hope and chance. Don't kick us out. We need a red counter. One red counter, I'm grabbing short. I'm adding another contract. One more red counter. I'm adding another contract. But I'm not gonna add if it's all the way down here. If the red counter like up here, then I'm add. But if it's all the way down there, I'm not adding. I'm not adding. Yeah, I'm not adding if it's at our entry level. I'm not adding. I needed to be up here somewhere. Now, if it turned red and then we pull back up, then I add. But if it just turn red and go straight down, I'm not taking it. I'm not adding no contracts. Yeah, I don't think I'm finna add. It look like it's finna just turn red and go down. Dang it. Oh, hold up. 6 seconds. Close red. I'ma add. I'ma add. I'ma add. And come on, go down there and make that lower low for us. Go down there and make that lower low. Go on, make that lower low. I don't even where to go. I don't even know though. Sloppy Joe. Come on, make that lower low, man. Y'all playing. Come on. 30 seconds. I think I need to sell two at that lower low. I think I need to sell two down there. Oh, let's say three. Nah, we just gonna keep them all, man. You know what? We done waited this long. We holding all the contracts. Go on, make that lower low. Close below. We got 7 seconds. Hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it. There we go. Close below it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And I'm gonna set it right here. I don't want to see this gap get filled. If this gap get filled, then just take us out. I want to see us keep dropping. Keep dropping. Come on, man. Got 44 seconds. Ah, it's probably finna kick us out. Probably about to kick us out. This the ultimate target down here. Goodbye. That's the ultimate target. Somehow we just flush crazy. Come on, hit this 5-minute gap, please. 5-minute gap. Hey, 5-minute slap. I sell one contract at that 5-minute gap. And then the next one at the next 5-minute gap. And then the last one down here at our ultimate target. That's how we're gonna do this. That's how we're gonna do this. Buy. Okay, let's sell one. Because it hit my target. Press buy, right? Yeah, buy. Okay. Alright, we sold one. We got 2 contracts left. Man, don't clean this gap up. Please don't clean this gap up immediately. Just keep dropping, man. Why y'all want to come up for? Why would you even want to come up? Just keep dropping. I think it's gonna clean this gap up if it close green here. If we close green here, I think we're gonna get kicked out. We might kick out. We might not. It might tap the gap and come right back down. I want us to close in this 5-minute gap to keep flushing. Yes. That's what I wanted to see, bro. That's what I wanted to see. Take us to the next 5-minute gap. Come on, come on, come on. Close below. It closed below there. We should hit next target. Should hit next target. We're up pretty nice. Alright, we hit next target. There we go. We got one contract, last runner. If we want to come down, retest at 30,380 left one. Alright, I really don't want it to. Really, I gotta keep stops where it's at. I gotta keep stops where it's at. Because the last lower high is all the way up here. Until we get a new lower high, I gotta keep stops where it's at, man. Dang it. I want to bring my stops down, but technically I'm supposed to keep it where it's at until we get another lower high. So even if it pulled all the way back up, it is what it is, bro. This our last trade for sure. We literally up. What we up? 250, almost 250 on the day. Really, we would have been up almost 400. With 400 to 500. We kept them other 2 contracts, but we was trying to take partials. We weren't trying to play these games today. Not today, man. Not with this type of market. Take our money and go. Any little bit we take. That's how I feel. Any little bit of money we make, we just gotta take. I don't even know. I ain't even trying to play. Hold up. Not today. Dang, we about to get kicked out. Finna get kicked out. Yeah, it's coming up there. Let's go. I probably gonna cut it myself. Yeah, it came up there. Now, I'm probably finna take one more trade. We close. We get a red counter without taking the time. We can take one more short, and then that's it. We're gonna call it right there. Take one more short. We get a red counter without taking that high. But you know what? Looking at this 5-minute, look like we might just run to the moon, man. Might just run to the moon. If it need to hurry up and flip back red. It don't need this green candle right here. So it need this candle to be red. So I'm gonna actually get in now. Cause it needed this candle to be red. Let's get in 2. This candle has to be the red if it wanna go. I kinda did get a little greedy getting in with 2. I probably should have got in with 1, but I'm thinking this has to be that drop. It has to be that drop if it wants to. Cause if it closes green, it's gonna go back bullish. So this has to close red. You know what? I'm gonna sell 1. I feel like I'm playing it too risky. But we sold one for $10. We just gonna stay at one. I think it's too little too risky of a trade. So I just I had to take one off. It just for me personally, I just wasn't comfortable with it. It seemed a little too risky only because yes, it can close red, but then we still can get another pullback to shoot us all the way back up again. And then go back down again. So it was just a little too risky for me, man. A little too risky. That's all. I wanted to hold both of them back to these lows, but I just didn't want to take that chance of it sweeping back up and coming back down again. Not with both the contracts. Now after we just had a great green day, I'm not trying to, and it's Friday. I'm not trying to give it this money back. All right, I think we might. I think we probably just gonna come down and take these lows. Let's see. See if we can just come on down and take these lows out. I think that's why I want to set my stop losses at $30 right there. I think that's where I want to set it. Yeah, let's set it. Oh, we up 70. Wow. Yeah, I think I want to set it here. At least give us around $30 on this trade. At least give us around 30. Remember our ultimate target was just 380, so we're gonna set that buy order right there. See if we can flush down to it. Let's go back to the 5 minute. Okay. It's looking nice. Looking nice. Looking pretty nice. I did not like that gap up right there. Come on, bro. I think I'm about to bring it down. If we sweep this low, I think I'm about to bring stops down. Come on, if we sweep that low, I think I'm bringing stops down. At least to probably right here. Maybe even down there. Alright, bring stops down. Bring stops down. Bring it here first. If we close below, then I'm going to bring it there. If we close below, I'm going to bring it there. And now this will actually be our last trade, okay? I know I said it the other trade. It's going to be the last trade for sure. This is the last trade for sure. Last trade for sure. It's on pure. I don't even know what's over there. Did that close below? I don't even know if that count, bro. I can't even see. It's so close. Yeah, I think it did. I think it did. It might come retest this gap, but hey, we don't want to retest the gap. I kind of want to just keep going. So if it retests the gap, it just does. I'm okay with it. I'm okay with it. That's plenty of profit for me. Plenty of profit. So that should bring it down one. This how we gonna know if we gonna retest the gap. If it closed past this counter that made the gap, it should keep going. If it closed green or close above it, we probably gonna retest the gap. That's how I look at it. If y'all ever want to know, if the counter that makes the gap, if the next counter close past it, I think we just keep flushing down. All right, nice. I think we should just keep flushing down to next target. We already hit next target, which is this. We should sweep this low. We can close below this counter low. We should go to TP, y'all. If we can close below this previous red counter low right here, should go to TP. Should be going to TP. Come on, I don't want no green counter because then that means we probably gonna retest this 5 minute gap. I do not want no green counter here. Come on, bro. Oh, I don't want that green counter. Yeah, I don't want that green counter. I just gonna take partial here. I do not want this thing. Green counter. We take $100 here though. That's fine. I think that's it. Yeah, let's cut it. We took 100. I think it's finna retest this gap, but once it turn red, it might give us the red counter here, and then that'll be what give us to that TP. But I'm calling it, y'all. I'm not gonna take that chance. Oh, look, it's going straight to TP now. Yep. Straight to TP. Straight to TP. But it's fine. Like I said, we good. We've made, what, like 350? Almost three something. Like 340. Yeah. What's that? We was at 327. We at 687. Yeah, 350. We made 350. It literally exactly 350 on the day. That's crazy. All right, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and end it right here. Y'all have a good one.